We're here at Fandomania, and that is Fairfax County Public Library's celebration of all things geeky. So that includes things like comic books, graphic novels, science fiction and fantasy genres, and more. This is our 6th year hosting this event, and some of our activities today include a cosplay contest, a superhero training camp for preschoolers, and a presentation and book signing by Ben Hatke, who is the author and illustrator of the Zeta the Space Girl graphic novel series. One of our missions is to build communities that value freedom of expression, and Fandomania does just that. We're here today with a diverse group of individuals who share an interest in different fandoms. This event allows the community to come together and bond over shared interests, which is crucial in building and strengthening community. We're also able to highlight some of the services that we offer to Fairfax County community members, such as our 3D printers, which are available at some of our Fairfax County Public Library branches. We have the printers here today to show what they can do, as well as some information about how the community can access them. So events similar to Fandomania often incur an associated cost, but this event, like all of our programs, events, and services at Fairfax County Public Library, is totally free of charge. So that opens this opportunity to individuals who might otherwise not have the ability to attend. We're also here in Providence Community Center, which is a space that has been provided to us, so our visitors today can explore Providence Community Center. And finally, events like these stimulate the local economy. We have small businesses, local authors, and all sorts of vendors here in the gymnasium for our visitors to explore today.
My favorite is Pokemon, so that's why I'm looking at this. I like doing buttons. This one's my favorite one.
For more information, you can visit our website or follow us on social media.